Are you a busy professional woman over 40 wanting to drop 2 to 3 dress sizes in the next 90 days without counting calories or spending hours exercising every day? And right now you feel as though you've tried pretty much everything to lose the weight and keep it off, but nothing seems to be working and your frustration levels are rising. I'd like to ask you a quick question. How would you like to learn about a way in which you can lose weight simply, holistically and sustainably? Hi and welcome. My name is Eric Simpson, an online weight loss specialist for busy professional women over 40. And if you're looking to drop 2 to 3 dress sizes in the next 90 days, I may be able to help you. Let me explain. During the last 10 years, I've developed a proven system called Coach Me Slim and Trim, which helps busy professional women over 40 wanting to drop 2 to 3 dress sizes and more if necessary, and learn how to become healthier, fitter and maintain it long term. To show you exactly what's possible, I've created a content-rich free webinar masterclass called How Busy Professional Women Over 40 Can Drop 2 to 3 Dress Sizes in the Next 90 Days Without Counting Calories or Spending Hours Exercising Every Day. And I'm making the masterclass available to you today. During the masterclass, I'll be revealing to you the 3 following secrets. Secret number 1, how to avoid the number 1 weight loss mistake made by busy professional women over 40 when starting a weight loss program, and instead of making that mistake, succeeding like Marie, a busy pastoral care officer who was able to lose 57 pounds and 2 years later is still maintaining it. Secret number 2, how to overcome months, years, even decades of self-doubt and finally achieve the look and feel you want for your body, just like Sue, a wife, business owner, mother and grandmother who was able to lose 71 pounds. Sue was actually interviewed on BBC Radio twice. The first time for some initial weight loss and the second time 12 months later for not only maintaining her weight loss but also for losing a little bit more and taking on a Kilimanjaro challenge. And finally, secret number 3, how to model and personalize success steps used by other busy professional women over 40 that have transformed the way their bodies look, feel and move. Like Gaynor, who was in the process of selling her business, which employed over 80 staff across multiple locations, supporting one of her daughters through university, and probably most importantly, taking care of her 2 elderly parents, one of whom was critically ill at one point, which required several hours commuting on a weekly basis to take care of them. Whilst this was all going on, Gaynor was still able to lose 85 pounds, and over a year later has managed to maintain her success. I think you're going to find these 3 secrets I'll be sharing with you very interesting. So I encourage you to click the Learn More button around this video and secure your time and your seat so that I can share with you how to drop those 2 to 3 dress sizes in the next 90 days without counting calories or spending hours exercising every day. It's going to be a real eye-opener. I look forward to seeing you there soon.
The photo shoot today was, in one word, awesome. I think it's just been a fantastic way to just really recognise the journey that I've been on. I'm going to get emotional. It's been huge. Sorry. The whole journey for me has been massive. And when I started this, I can remember saying to you, you'd never get me doing the photo shoot, and I had a real fear of it. And now I'm realising that this is all really the mega part of the journey, because I'm now just the person I wanted to be. You know, I can feel my fitness, I can feel my health, I just feel so much happier as I am, and I never really thought that this was a real day that would come, and I was quite anxious about this day. And what I'm really recognising at the moment, and especially with the photo shoot, is that to mark this moment in time, because I now have my life ahead of me with this body on that journey with me, and I really want to make the most of it. And I think if I hadn't celebrated it, and this has turned into a celebration, and fear has turned into a celebration, and anybody that knows me knows that I wouldn't have done it without the discipline of Coach Me Slim and Trim. Has just been perfect.